Hi, I'm Craig Hansen. In this video we're just going to take you through a few short steps for troubleshooting. If your water's not flowing through your top bag, check your valve first, give it half a dozen turns, and then if it's still not flowing, you need to change your bag. Okay, we haven't found the problem in the top sink, but we're changing the bag, which is quite easy to do. Pull it up, grab it by four corners, lift it out, throw it in the bin. Okay, we'll go down to the second sink, because what can happen, you've got too much sediment and it goes through the valve, goes down into the bottom of the second sink, which is a little square one, and then what happens, the sediment will settle, and it keeps settling and settling, and it gets higher and higher, and it gets to the bottom of the valve, and it can clog the valve up. So you've got to pull this out. Okay, there's a little bit of sediment in there. So what you can do is pull it up. Instead of putting the water into a bucket, you can actually pour it slowly down into the sump. And it's got to be slowly because you don't want to pour any sediment down there. So you pull that up slowly. Pull your housing sink out, turn the system off, because you're going to have to let some pressure out. Grab the gun and just put it into the sink, and that relieves the pressure from the lines. So there's another inline filter. All you do is squeeze the sides in, then pull the filter out. And you see that filter's got a little bit of sediment there. So you just put it in a bucket of water. No sediment. So if it's really tight, you can use your spinner. So you just put your spinner up to there, and you just do that. And that's it. Now we're changing the 1 UM. We put the new filter in, make sure it's sitting properly. We get a bit of Vaseline and just rub it around the O-ring. Because what that does, it stops, when you tighten the O-ring up, well, the housing up to the main housing of the filter, it stops the O-ring kinking. And then if it kinks, you've got leak, and plus you've got air, so the pump doesn't work properly. So you just rub a bit of Vaseline around it. You don't have to do it up tight. That's how you clean and maintain your smart sinks unit.